In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Rednote display name. If you've created an account and you want to change your name on your profile, but you don't know where to start, just follow my steps and you'll be able to change your display name in a couple of seconds. So you head on to open the Rednote app. When it opens up, you look at the bottom right hand corner, tap on the option Me, and then you go over to the portion where you see profile, which is right beside the following, followers, likes and collections. So you tap on profile and here you see your name and your ID. This is where you can add a bio, change your gender, your birth date, your names, and so because we want to change our name, we're going to tap on your name, and here you can clean it up and add a name. But you have to be sure that you're ready to change the name, because it says you can only change your name once in 7 days. So decide a proper name you want to use before you go ahead and change it. So I've entered my username and it's okay. So I'll go ahead and tap on save. So can you see the username has been changed? So it makes it easier for people to identify you using your username. If you got value in this video, do consider liking the video, sharing the video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Later.